मम्मी सोबत लेट आते
कौन टाइम पे है भाई? भाई तो कंडीशनर रोज तो कर रहा है इतना मोटा हाथ लेके, हाथ भी तुम्हारा जुगाड़ वाला है।
I have a Kucha kitchen already, which you see in my YouTube blog. But I think it's always nice to upgrade, and they're coming out with some fantastic new designs. And I'm like you know, I love spending time in the kitchen, and I love home decor and all sorts of things. So, खाना तो बनता है.
So when it comes to reporting, personally, what sort of setup you like, and which is what is a vintage collection also?
So we are doing the vintage collection in the kitchen now. You'll see it, I think, as my channel grows. But the rest of my house is pretty modern. But I thought it's nice to have the kitchen little like, and the vintage is also in style right now, so it's actually modern.
You have what do you have to say?
First of all, thank you to her. Secondly, so stainless steel kitchens in vintage collection, highlighted and showcased with Farama. That will be the best
I
thing.
think the best thing about that is that the front is vintage, and when you open it, it's really like new age.
Yes.
Stainless steel, no need of no cockroaches, no wood rotting, no, the usual things that Indian kitchens suffer from.
So when we met Farama, she had only one thing in mind: wear and tear, durability and hygiene. I have to have that thing in my kitchen because she was very clear about hygiene and she wanted something that can be used by the maid. As you see, Dilip continuously banging the doors and hanging on to things. Still the kitchen is not damaged just because it's Kucha 7 stainless steel kitchen. And that too we are upgrading it with a vintage look, one of its kind in the world right now. That would be showcased in the initial days with Paraman.
So when do we get to see that?
As soon as they're ready, I'm training them how to do it faster.
Yes.
And definitely you'll see it, I think, by next month in the vlog when they get back from the ground. Okay, bye.
मैम जाते जाते एक सवाल है कि आपके फैंस बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि मैं हूं ना कि जिस तरह सोशल मीडिया पर चल रहा है, कब तक शाहरुख के साथ आप काम करते हुए दिखेंगे?
अरे मैं भी बहुत क्या बोला आपने? बेताब हूँ, मैं भी बहुत बेताब हूँ.
तो आपको जब चलो सिटी में होगा तो क्या किचन सेटअप लगेगा आपको पिक्चर में कहीं ना कहीं सरकार किचन सेटअप किचन में कुछ?
वो किचन में इतने फेमस है तो कहीं ना कहीं किचन तो डिमांड आएगा ही.
हाँ, घर का सीन होगा, किचन लगेगा, बट थोड़ा वियर्ड क्वेश्चन.
शी इज द डायरेक्टर बाय herself, वो स्क्रिप्ट में डाल सकते हैं.
इस कंपनी का
बॉलीवुड में मतलब किसके घर पे? अरे सबके, मैं जब जाती हूँ, पीपल हैव लवली किचन एंड एवरी किचन इज यूनिक टू दैट पर्सन्स पर्सनैलिटी. कुछ लोग बहुत खाना बनाते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं बनाते हैं, तो सबका किचन आई थिंक इज द हार्ट ऑफ द हाउस. So I have to go there actually now. Go to I just got the news.
And eco-friendly subject. And kitchen is the heart of home where hygiene is very much required. When you call upon the wooden kitchens, this mindset has come to me. When seeing a wooden kitchen and the kind of disturbance happening in wooden kitchens, Mumbai or India basically, you can say, having too many coastal areas. So the termites is a major issue. Health is a major issue with the kitchen that we are having, our utensils, having all insects and pesticides. So the same thing which a commercial restaurant or 5-star hotel having a kitchen, stainless steel. Wear and tear, durability, hygiene is required. Same way, things have been incorporated by us so that the residential kitchen can be used in stainless steel with the same look and feel that they want. This is all the subject. Getting convinced with the product. Vintage.
That's a very, very interesting talk. Tell us about it.
So as we are selling stainless steel kitchens, we have 23 stores across India. So there was a huge requirement that we don't want a flat thing. We need the thing which the wooden can do. There's a colonial and a vintage look can be developed. So this has taken us 2 years of innovation and R&D to develop the vintage finish. And that vintage finish is now capturing the 30% of the business for us.